Prep Test 63, game number 4, question 23, the final question in the game. If boxes 2, 3, and 4 all contain balls of the same color, which of the following must be true? So we've got our rules and inferences up here. Let's take a look at some of the possibilities here. So if we stop to think about the numbers, first of all, we already know that we need at least 2 red balls, but we can have more than 2. We know that we need at least 1 green ball, but we can have more than 1. In fact, I think we've had plenty of examples where we had 3 green balls. But we do also know that we can only have 1 or 2 white balls. Therefore, boxes 2, 3, and 4 cannot be white. So we only have 2 options: green, 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 or red, red, red. Let's see if we can complete these drawings. In this box up here, we know for a fact that we can't put a red ball here because that would break this rule. We also know that we need at least 2 reds, and if they can't go there, they must go there and there, and we have to have WG somewhere, so we can complete the whole drawing. In option 2, down here, we need a WG somewhere, so it has to go here, and we need a green before our first red, so that has to be green. So we can complete these drawings really nicely. So now, which must be true? There's exactly 2 green balls. Nope. Exactly 3 green balls. Well, there are here, but there aren't down here. Exactly 3 red balls. Nope, because we only have 2 up here. Exactly 1 white ball. That is true in both drawings. Looking good. Exactly 2 white balls. That's true nowhere. So the correct answer is D, and we are done with this game.